You ready to test your meat with the meat thermometer? It's got a prong, it lights up. We'll come back and show you what it's about. The magnets hold on. And we have the steaks, if you like it rare. We have a reading of 111 degrees, as you can see. And the other one reads at 116. This one will stay lit for a number of seconds. It will not flip around. As you can see, this will be the way you would read it. Comes with an instruction and a guide of how to look at temperatures of meats, poultry, fish, and more. Very simple to use by just opening up. It starts off at the temperature reading of 69. You press the light and you could simply place into a hot cup of coffee, press on the hold button, and it shows you the temperature of 193, and the light goes off after a number of seconds. Placing down on a table, the unit will shut off after so many seconds, or simply close the probe, and it's cleanable with a removable battery for replacement. The proper screwdriver, open up, take off and replace the one AAA battery included. IP rated, so you can clean the probe and all, as long as we have the seals properly closed after the battery's replaced. This is your meat thermometer. You're looking to see how cold it is in the refrigerator? And watching the temperature rise. CaloriMastery is your meat thermometer for all your cooking needs. Meat, poultry, fish, chicken, pork, boiling water, checking out pasta, anything that you need to check a temperature with the automatic shutoff and light with a single way of using the unit, one way only for your temperature reading. It is not reversible by flipping around. I hope you enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for.